$5 for grapes? It's worth it. I don't want to be unhealthy.
Ooh, these look good. $5. Goodbye. Ooh, Top Time. $1. Now that's reasonable. McDonald's!
Oh. Time to check my sugar level. Dang, too low. That's what I get for eating too much sweet.
Julia, shouldn't you like lay off the sweets a little?
What do you mean? I'm perfectly fit.
Alright then, hand me my blue spots over there.
Over there?
Yeah, over there. It's not really that far.
Okay.
It requires putting the ice cream down.
Dwight. Martha? Did you just give me my fries? I only got the little box. That's it. I'm taking 4. 1 for 8.
Happy birthday, Oscar! Here's your cake, son. I made it especially for you. And here's your present. I'm sorry, son, but that's all we could afford for your birthday. We have to... Happy birthday, Diego. Here's your cake. Here's your present. It's a brand new phone. Because we can afford it. And go. It's such a beautiful day, Julia. Don't you think?
You know what I think? I think food is beautiful.
Why are you always talking about food?
Why are you always
That's
talking
fun.
about happiness and living life to the fullest?
You're always depressed.
I'm
not your friend anymore. I need chocolate.
Dude, why are you eating a banana? That's so gross.
Because maybe I don't want to get fat like some people. Man, exercise is such should be eating. But no, you dragged me out here to exercise, to get in fit. I'll show you jump roping. I was a champ back in the day. Were you? I was. Scooch aside. Give me a chocolate bar. Oh yeah, I roll. Juliet, come do some.
There's one more drop in there. I know I can get it.
Granny, you want some? Happy 103rd birthday, Grandma! Thank you, Sonny. Ah, you're so old. How did you live this long? Well, I ate very healthy and did exercise. I'm gonna do that too. Don't be like... Oh,